India has crossed the grim milestone of 1 crore coronavirus cases, with 25,152 new cases being reported in the last 24 hours. There have also been 347 deaths that have been reported in this period, taking India's total death toll to 1,45,136. But this is, of course, the big development that we're tracking. What we're also reporting at the moment is that it has taken India 325 days to cross the 1 crore mark. The first case of coronavirus in the country, remember, was reported on the 30th of January 2020. And it has taken us 325 days. India is the second country after the United States to cross 1 crore cases of coronavirus. Akshay joins us for the very latest. Akshay, 1 crore cases of coronavirus in 325 days. This is, of course, the grim milestone that India has now crossed, only the second country in the world to do so.
Well, yes, this is in fact a grim milestone, Rishika, but also we have to look at this entire journey, which has taken 325 days to reach us. Of course, when we are talking about numbers, because numbers become the most important thing as far as our COVID story is concerned, we are the second country to cross this grim milestone. But as far as the entire positivity rate is concerned, because to reach this milestone, we also have to consider that there have been 16 crore tests that have been conducted. Mostly has been the RT-PCR test and the rapid antigen test. The overall positivity till this time has been 6.2%. As of now, till today, we have registered a 95.4% of recovery rate. But the biggest concern here is that we also have seen 1.45% of fatality rate, which sounds small, but we have lost 1,45,136 people to this viral disease. As far as the most impacted states are concerned, Maharashtra, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu and Kerala are the top 5 most impacted states. As far as the recoveries are concerned, also Maharashtra topping that chart, and even in the deaths, approximately 48,000 deaths that have been reported in Maharashtra is the highest. While we look at this journey, we also have to look at how many of the states, as far as our COVID journey is concerned, have in fact brought down the numbers significantly, but still a huge task remains in front of us, because even right now there are approximately 308,751 active cases across the country, and the biggest number of active cases are in Maharashtra, above 60,000. So yes, we have crossed this 1 crore milestone.
Right.
But,
in fact, Akshay, we have an update that's coming in from the Health Ministry on the active cases, which is 308,751. This, according to the Health Ministry, is the lowest number of active cases that we've had, which is 3.08% of the total coronavirus cases that have been reported. The death rate in India currently is at 1.45%. And the recovery rate, like Akshay is saying, is the highest that it's ever been at 95.46%. So this is, all in all, if you look at, I beg your pardon, the active cases as well as the recovery rate, Akshay, it is definitely the best that it's been.
Well, of course, we have come a long way from recording approximately 1 lakh COVID cases in a single day. We have seen the 98,000 COVID cases were reported on several occasions, and now we are down to around 20 to 25,000 cases daily. So that's a huge margin. That's a huge improvement that we have seen in just a matter of 2 to 3 months, and that's the silver lining here. But still a long fight as far as against COVID is ahead of us. We are still looking at some of the vaccines that have started to roll out. We also have some indigenous vaccines that are in the final stages of testing right now. And what we can expect is that the government intensifying the operations to crush COVID-19, to break the chain of transmission, to bend the curve completely as far as COVID is concerned, Rishika.
All right. So this, of course, is the big story that we are, in fact, tracking. Appreciate you, Akshay, for joining us with the very latest. India there crossing 1 crore coronavirus cases.